Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to do a quick comparison between the built like a tank, made in Germany, Sennheiser MD46, this one right here, and the newer, it's about 2 years old, Sennheiser e935. These are both dynamic mics. They're both made in Germany. They're really built tough. I really like these. This one I've been using a long time. You can probably see it's been beat up. What's notable about this microphone is it was used in the 2000 Sydney Olympics by NBC. So this thing has been around for a long time. You can pick one up for $200 on bnh.com. And the next mic that I'm going to be comparing this to, the Sennheiser e935, that's only $20 cheaper. Man, it's a lot. It's about half the weight, and it's very, very small compared to this one. This is a fairly large mic. But anyways, right now I'm right up on it. I do have a windscreen links down below for that on B&H. I'm about 1 inch away, 3 inches away, and this is the distance where I normally talk when I'm using this. And by the way, this is a great mic it's perfect for interviews and for podcasting. I first learned about this by asking Grammar Girl. I don't know if she uses it anymore, but I asked her years ago, hey, your voice is so crisp and clean. What are you using? And she told me, she responded back and said, this mic right here. It's been around forever. It's great. But without further ado, let's go see what this newer Sennheiser e935 sounds like. And this is it. This is the Sennheiser e935. What do you guys think? Right now I'm about 1 inch away. Right now I'm right up on it. Now I have a feeling, because this is a test for me too, I really don't know the results of these two. This I just bought a little over a week ago, and the MD46. Man, I've had this thing forever. You can see how beat up it is. But anyways, obviously I do not have a windscreen on this, but it shouldn't matter for this test. Right now I'm off axis 90 degrees, about 3 inches away, normal speaking distance, and right now I'm 12 inches away. And in the background I do have the air conditioning running, but I have a feeling these are going to be doing a good job of rejecting that noise. So enough about me talking. What do you guys think? And by the way, the last thing I'll say is I'm shooting this on $100. Right now, this camera that I'm using is the very old. It's got to be about 8 years old right now. The Panasonic Lumix G3. Yeah, G3. They're up to 9 now. And with the kit lens, shooting it in 1080p. What do you guys think? Does it look terrible? Does it look good? I just decided to dig this out of my closet because I haven't used it in a while and see if this thing can still put out decent-looking video in 2019. So anyways, what do you guys think of the two mics? Which one won in your opinion? Please, below, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys there.